welcome back. How are you guys doing today? Today we're gonna take a quick look on this coffee brew maker by Eilde. I don't know how you say that, as you can see there. So let's go ahead and take a look what's inside. So on the inside you're gonna find your coffee brew maker. So here you go. Here we have the actual bottle. As you can see, it's a crystal clear glass. It's actually made from borosilicate glass, so it's durable, lightweight, and very and it's safe to handle. So on the side you're gonna see some liquid measurements: 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, so you know how much coffee you're drinking, since you don't want to drink too much. And on the top you're gonna see a stainless steel airtight lid cover, as you can see right here. On the inside of the bottle you're gonna have a very laser cut stainless steel strainer. It has a really fine holes in it to prevent the coffee grounds from making it into your drink. And on the inside you're gonna have paper. So just some simple steps on how to make your own coffee. And this strainer actually has a built-in handle, which makes it very easy and simple to take out from the glass and put it back in like this. So you just flip the handle outwards and pull it out, and then you just put your favorite coffee grounds in it. Pour some water on it. Pour some hot or cold depending on your taste. Put it inside the glass and leave it on for like some time to sip the coffee ground. Or if you want cold drinks, leave it on the fridge overnight, so you get the most out of your coffee grounds. Also, yep, sorry about that, my phone just died. So what was I? It comes with this really nice light gray insulated koozie to keep your drinks cold for hours, and it has this nice handle over here, so you can carry it easily, making it very portable, and it fits really nicely, as you can see right there, snug and fit. Also, the bottle is very easy to clean. It's dishwasher safe, so you just put it in the dishwasher and let it clean itself. So that's all about this coffee brew maker by Eilde, I don't know how you say it. Anyway, I'm gonna leave the product link in the description below where you can get it from. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.